Students, we are studying the instruments of monetary policy of RBI. Right now, we understand we will study about the margin requirements. Right. So this is the margin requirements. Commercial bank do not lend up the full amount of the value of security. The loan amount is less than the security value. It keep margin as a cushions against fall in the value of security. Margin refer to the difference between the current market value and the loan values of security, right? So you understand margin requirements. Now students, we understand the rationing of credit. Central banks fix a limit for credit facility available to commercial bank, right? That is called rationing of credit. Limited accommodation by the way of rediscounting facilities also. So that is called credit rationing. Fixed limits means fixed limits of loan, scale down the amount of loan, fixed quota of credit, decline to give loans. So this is all function by monitor by RBI, right? Now students, let's rationing or credit rationing I have already explained you. Now the credit rationing means is the way in which successful bank deal with adverse selection and moral hazard so that lender refuse to make loan even when the borrower are willing to pay the starter interest rate or even a higher rate. Credit rationing take two forms. First, occur when a bank refuses to make a loan of any amount of to a borrower even if the borrower is willing to pay a higher interest rate. Second, occur when a bank is willing to make a loan but restrict the size of loan less than the borrower would like. The credit rationing in which successful bank deal with adverse action and moral hazard so that lender refuse to make loan, right? These are the credit rationing. Here is qualitative and selective credit control. So far we have studied the quantitative, now that we have studied the qualitative or selective credit controls or the policy of the RBI, right? Moral suggestions. Moral suggestion refer to request by the RBI to the commercial bank to take certain measure as per trend of the economy. For example, bank do not give out certain loan. It includes psychological means and informal measure of the selective credit, right? The moral suggestion here is the moral suggestion is just a request by the RBI to the commercial bank to take so and so actions and measure in so and so trend of, right? Means this is the guideline for the commercial bank from the by the RBI. RBI may request commercial bank not to give loans for unproductive purpose when does not add economic growth but increase inflations, right? These are the moral suggestion that is code which is guided by the RBI to the commercial bank, right? That is called moral suggestions. It is a combination of both persuasions and pressures. Means in moral suggestions sometimes RBI request to the banks, but sometimes it builds the pressure to the commercial bank. You must do it, right? The central bank tried to persuade the commercial bank to follow its directive of monetary policy. Otherwise, it can pressure them to follow its policy directives, right? Sometimes it give the pressure to the commercial bank. That is called moral suggestions, right? To hope student you understand it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I am Mr. Mamraj Singh. I hope you will you subscribe it, watch it properly. If you have any problem you can ask to me.